What if you could literally train an AI to get you higher quality leads? And every time you got another lead, the leads just kept on getting more quality and more quality and more quality over time until your entire calendar was just filled with qualified people. And what if you already had access to that AI, but you didn't even know it yet? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to be covering in this video, where I'm going to show you guys how you can use AI to get qualified leads, booking appointments directly on your calendar. So let's dive in. All right, cool. So I got my whiteboard up here, and I'm basically going to kind of walk you guys through what most agents do, why it results in less than ideal results, and then ultimately what you can do instead. So let's just take, most people are probably buying leads, right? So let's just say this is your typical lead vendor, okay? So what lead vendors do is they go and they generate leads, obviously, right? And then they sell those leads to, let's just say, insurance agent. We'll throw on some photos here. They sell those leads to you, right? You're this agent. So you then buy those leads. You guys are making a financial transaction together. You're purchasing leads from the lead vendor. Now, this is what most people do, right? This is the majority of what takes place in the industry. However, what you don't realize is that is actually extremely suboptimal if you're not just going for, if you don't want to, like, if you want to actually get qualified people and get good leads, this is probably the worst way you could possibly do it. So let me explain what you should do instead, right? So everyone is always thinking about with these, whenever someone hears, oh, implement AI into your business, their first thought is they just are like, oh, can I have AI or ChatGPT call my leads for me, right? Which there's a lot of companies out there that sell products that do that. 99% of them are garbage. I have never personally seen anyone see success with voice AI up until this point, right? So what you can do instead is use the things that are already out there. And there's companies that you and I use every single day that actually have some of the most well-adept, highly trained, and sophisticated AI models. And specifically what I'm talking about is Meta, aka Facebook, and using their AI model to get qualified leads. Okay, so let me kind of walk through this. Basically, Facebook is Facebook is something called a prediction machine, right? So we'll just write this on bullets. So Facebook is a prediction machine. So what that means is Facebook basically is constantly, whenever you run an ad on Facebook, they're calculating the probability that somebody is going to take an action. So they calculate probabilities. So what I mean by that, if I can spell probabilities correctly, what I mean by that is basically you give Facebook a target or what they call a conversion goal, right? And then based off of whatever your conversion goal is, they will go out and put the ads in front of the people that are most likely, most probable to convert, right? So we're getting in the weeds with the marketing, but I want you guys to understand this on a core level so that you can actually use it. So for example, in Facebook, you can go and you can make a campaign that goes and tries to get people to engage with your posts, right? This is something we'll occasionally do with certain strategies. You can also go out and you can say, hey, Facebook, get me the lowest cost leads. I don't care about quality. I just want the lowest cost. Some people do that. You can also do something where you can say, hey, get me booked appointments, right? You could say, get me showed appointments. You could say, get me sales, right? Whatever you want. You just tell Facebook, hey, this is the event that I want to optimize for. Go out and get me more of these people. Now, the problem with this current setup, the lead vendor setup, is guess what the lead vendor is optimizing for, right? I'll show you. The lead vendor is directly incentivized to optimize for the lowest quality leads, right? So here's essentially what they're doing. So they go and they're running ads on Facebook. And then the data that they send back to Facebook is optimizing for the lowest cost lead possible. That's their whole goal. So Facebook's sending them leads. They're sending the data back to Facebook, and then they're selling you the leads. They have no idea what happens once the lead goes to you. So there is nothing in their advertising and their marketing optimized towards quality people. There's nothing that's optimizing towards people that actually book appointments. There's nothing that's optimizing towards people that actually show up. And there's definitely nothing optimized towards people that buy and result in sales, right? So what should you do instead, right? What this results in, because look at the lead vendor's incentive. Their incentive is to sell you the lead at the highest cost possible and generate it for the lowest cost possible. That is directly in contradiction with what your goal is. So let me show you what smart agents that are using AI to get them qualified leads actually do, okay? So here's what they do. They will generate the leads themselves on Facebook, okay? So we're going to put Facebook here. Here's you as the agent, right? So essentially what you want to do is you run ads. Facebook then sends you leads, right? And then what you do is you set it up using something called the conversion API, which that's a whole separate video. If you guys want me to make a video about that, I can. Or if you just want us to set all of that up and you don't want to get in the weeds with the techie stuff, click the link down below and you can book an appointment with our team for us to literally do all of this for you. Like, this is a service that we do for clients where we run their ads and optimize around the right things so they're getting higher quality people, right? So let's say they send you a person, they send you a lead. If that lead is not quality, we do not send the data back to Facebook. So we won't even count it as a lead, right? But if they are quality, then we send them back to Facebook, okay? So we're going to get a green check mark if they're quality, right? So for example, let's say I'm selling IULs. Well, I'm going to want people that are making a certain amount of money, are not already retired. You know, they are probably already saving something for retirement. They have a certain level of income. Those are the people I'm going to send back to Facebook, right? I'm going to send back to Facebook's AI. Okay? And then what's going to happen is over time, Facebook is going to realize, hey, this is the person that this guy's searching for. I'm going to go get him more of these people. Now, if someone comes in that is not a qualified lead, does not meet your set criteria, then you just don't count them as a lead. So what happens over time is this feedback loop continues and continues and continues and continues until majority of your leads are just quality, qualified people. You're making way more money. You pay way less per lead because you're not paying a markup, and the leads are better. It's probably the most no-brainer thing you could possibly do as an insurance agent is just have this connection, because there's a disconnect here, right? Facebook has no idea what happens here. They don't actually know if it's a qualified lead or not. There's no data being sent from you to Facebook. So you're literally missing out, like specifically when you buy leads, you're missing out on the best part of running online advertising, which is the optimization of the AI. And I'm telling you guys, this AI is so advanced. They literally have 52,000 data points on all of their users. They can find you qualified people. This is something we started doing internally within our own company, and the quality of leads just skyrocketed. The cost went down and the quality went up. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're not currently using AI to optimize your lead generation and get you qualified leads, please, for the love of God, either work with a company that's going to run the ads on your behalf, where you are sending the data back and you're getting like more qualified leads, or just figure out how to do it yourself through some of our YouTube videos and start doing this, because this is by far a better way, and it's literally a free AI tool that you can use, which is way better than 99% of the other stuff that's out there. So hopefully you guys got value from this video. I'll see you in the next one.